Hello guys, Aspen at Drone in Nature. Just been out shooting a little bit with my Sony A33 camera, just trying to learn how to take photos and how to set them up right, and I really don't have any idea, just trying and practicing. Just fun to do something new. It's not possible to fly today because the weather is changing all the time. Raining and not raining, and so I don't want to take my drone up. Just went on a short little hike, taking some photos, trying to learn that skill. I really love to be outside and just shoot something. And photography is really interesting for me to learn. I really want to learn that skill. So many beautiful photos out there, and it's quite difficult to set up the shot right, and of course you need a good camera. I don't have a good camera, 10-year-old camera, so it's not the right camera for that kind of job, but I think you can learn with whatever you have. That's the most important thing to do. Just learn the skill, and of course later you can buy a different camera, more expensive camera, and some other lenses. But I don't have the money for that now, so I'm just gonna learn with whatever I have. So I think that's the way to be better. If you have expensive gear, you're not getting any better by that. The gear can't help you. You have to learn the skill and learn how to do it. And it's not that easy to just shoot something and everything looks beautiful. That's not the way it is. So yeah, taking a short hike today. I have a little bit of a headache today because we was on a party yesterday and I got slightly drunk, so yeah, you feel it the next day. So just taking a short nice hike today. The weather is nice now, but like I said, I don't want to take my drone up if it suddenly starts to rain, and it's not a water resistant drone, the DJI Mini 2. So yeah, we're just taking a short little hike. It's really nice to be outside, just to listen to the birds and see all the beautiful colors that are coming now. We're getting closer and closer to summer, so it's not summer temperatures yet, but the weather is changing all the time. We can suddenly have 15 to 20 degrees, and a few hours later it's 10 degrees, so it's changing all the time. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see my view here. It's pretty nice. This is not the perfect camera to film with, the Sony FDR X3000. It's pretty wide, and I'm pretty sure that the sky is overexposed, but yeah, I have what I have. Yeah, so we're gonna turn back down. Yeah, like I said, it's just nice to be outside and play a little bit in the woods, shooting some photos and trying to film some kind of B-rolls, and yeah, I really want to learn how to be a filmmaker. I'm not planning to make any short films or films, but it's nice to learn that skill. It seems quite easy, but trust me, it's really hard to get the right shot and the right setup, and it takes a lot of time. So you really have to be dedicated to do this. But it's really fun, it really is. And so nice to be outside now. It's so peaceful. You can hear all the birds are singing all the time. just great. It really is. Yeah, so I really want to thank you for stopping by to checking out my content. I don't get a lot of views on my videos. I really don't understand why, but it's a lot of competition out there, and a lot of a bunch of really good creators. It really is. So it's really hard to find the niche or whatever you call it, just to drop the right video at the right time with the right title and the right thumbnail and all that kind of shit. So but I really don't have any idea what my channel is gonna be in the future. Of course, I would like to grow a little bit more, get more subscribers, get over that threshold of 1,000 subscribers. That's the biggest things for me, just to get over there. I think it's easier to grow as soon as you're over 1,000 subscribers. People see that you have a good amount of subscribers, then it's more likely that they are gonna check out your video. That's for sure. I'm doing the same thing. It's not always that I press on a video with a small content creator with not that many subscribers, but we all are alike. So that's my biggest goal, get over 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, let's return back. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.